Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching and welcome to the English News of Binh Phuoc radio, television station and newspaper. I'm Hình and following other headlines as usual. Binh Phuoc accelerating digital transformation. 95% of Binh Phuoc population to access health management. The National Assembly 7 session concluded. Republic of Korea Prime Minister value Vietnamese counterparts official visit. Vietnam's paper exports near $500 million. And now other detail. Digital transformation and e-government initiatives are intensively implemented throughout Binh Phuoc province, significantly enhancing socio-economic development and improving public services.
To improve the operational efficiency of the administrative system, Binh Phuoc has invested in new cutting-edge equipment, including those related to digital signatures in administrative procedures. This innovation has helped reduce processing time and expenditure for locals. Several sectors have successfully processed all administrative procedures online, saving processing times by 40 to 60%. Additionally, Binh Phuoc has streamlined document requirements, simplified procedures, and clarified individual responsibilities. The processing times for administrative procedures have also been updated and made accessible to the public. Currently, Binh Phuoc is intensifying efforts in digital transformation and digital economic development, such as issuing citizen identification cards, activating e-identification accounts, and upgrading 2G SIM cards to 4G equipped with digital signatures. The province has also been supporting remote communities to ensure equitable access to digital services and building the e-government.
Binh Phuoc has outlined 6 key tasks and solutions to ensure that over 95% of the local population had access to health management by 2030.
The province focuses on diversifying communication activities and health education to raise awareness in health protection and improvement. It also promotes physical activities to enhance overall population health. Health-related goals are integrated into local annual, 5-year, and 10-year socio-economic development programs. The province is striving to build an electronic health record management database system as part of efforts to digitalize the healthcare sector. Special attention will be given to attracting skilled healthcare professionals in grassroots and remote areas. The province will allocate more resources to preventive medicine, early disease screening and detection. Medical services will follow the family medicine model, combining traditional and modern practices. Binh Phuoc also plans to develop a family doctor model and intensify efforts to expand health insurance coverage across the province.
In the first half of this year, the Steering Committee for Voluntary Blood Donations campaigns at all levels in Binh Phuoc province had actively organized numerous campaigns collecting tens of thousands of blood units.
Since the beginning of the year, the committee has collaborated with the Blood Transfusion Center of Chợ Rẫy Hospital, Ho Chi Minh City, to conduct 29 blood donation drives, collecting over 10,630 blood units. The achievements represent 64% of the annual target. The return rate of volunteer blood donors was nearly 80%. The committee also praised outstanding individuals and groups who volunteered to donate blood. In 2024, the committee aims to collect 16,400 units of blood, up 900 units compared to the previous year.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 7th session of the 15th National Assembly wrapped up on June 29 in Hanoi. See more in the following report.
Concluding the session, National Assembly Chairman Tran Ton Mun stated that, after 27.5 working days, the 7th session had completed the whole agenda. According to the top legislator, this is the session with the largest amount of legislative work since the beginning of the term. The bills and draft resolutions, which were considered and approved at the session, are related to various industries and fields, receiving great attention and follow-up from voters and people across the country. he said. The National Assembly had passed 11 laws, considered and passed 21 resolutions, while giving first comments for 11 law projects, among others, Chairman Mann said, adding that the personnel work had been carried out strictly in accordance with party regulations and state laws. At the closing session, the legislative body passed the resolution of the 7th session with 460 delegates voting in favor. According to the resolution, the National Assembly agreed on salary reform and adjustments to pension, social insurance benefits, allowances for revolution contributors, and social allowances from July 1st.
Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính official visit to the Republic of Korea from June the 30th to July the 3rd is expected to help consolidate political trust and deepen the strategic cooperation between the two nations. Republic of Korea Prime Minister Han Duck-soo has said.
Prime Minister Han made the statement in an interview granted to the Vietnam news agency on the threshold of the visit. 2024 is the third consecutive year that high-level visits are arranged between the two countries, he said, adding that this illustrates their close relationship.
The visits by high-ranking leaders of the two nations, including the upcoming visit by Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh, have contributed significantly to their close ties. Vietnam and the Republic of Korea have built the world's leading exemplary cooperative relations over the past 30 years.
According to Prime Minister Han, as Vietnam is a key partner of the Republic of Korea government in its Korea-ASEAN Solidarity Initiative and the Indo-Pacific Strategy, the Republic of Korea wants to step up the win-win and practical partnership with Vietnam. To achieve the goal, it is significant to enhance strategic exchange and contact between key leaders of both sides, and Prime Minister Chin's visit is a good opportunity. Besides, the two sides need to capitalize on their cooperation mechanisms, such as dialogues between foreign ministers.
It is necessary for the two countries to bolster the bilateral ties extensively in key areas, including economy and trade for economic recovery. As inseparable partners in sustainable economic development, the two sides should expand the existing cooperation to other fields of economic security, science technology, climate change, human resources training, and culture.
For the climate change response cooperation, he said he believes that the two nations could play a key role in turning climate crisis into green growth and other new opportunities. He went on to say that people-to-people exchange has been a motive for the sustainable relations between the two countries.
So far this year, Vietnam has shipped abroad over 114,000 tons of paper worth more than $493 million, down 13% in volume, but up 20% in value over the same period last year.
The U.S. was the largest importer of the Vietnamese spice in the period, with nearly 30,500 tons, accounting for 26.6% of the total and up 44% year-on-year. Exports also skyrocketed in some markets such as Italy, Germany, and Russia. Vietnam has promoted pepper export to many traditional markets, such as the US, India, Germany, and the Netherlands. Export to many markets increased sharply in both volume and value. According to the Vietnam Pepper and Spice Association, Vietnam's pepper production this year is estimated to decrease by 10% compared to last year.
And that's all for today on the News of Binh Phuoc radio, television station and newspaper. Once again, thank you for watching and goodbye for now.